Hey guys, Carlos here with Bearable Traders, and here's my recap for today. I had a pretty slow start today. I missed a lot of great opportunities this morning on AMD and MU. I had them both on my list, and we'll go over them in a second really quick. But again, I just missed the beautiful open range breakups. There was no excuse for missing those two trades. And I'll go over them in a few minutes. But I found this trade later on in the day on CAGC. Now, I did not have this on my list. We did look at it this morning, so we had some levels from our pre-market show. But someone in the chat room mentioned it as a possible stock and play, that it was looking good. So throughout the day, I saw that it was consolidating here. Had this nasty consolidation here. I actually was not interested when this was going on. So after lunch, I came back and I saw this forming here. Nice ABCD pattern with a breakout. So this is your A point. My drawing's not great. This is your B. This is your C, and it breaks out nicely, right? I saw this. I was in my sitting in my station, watching this, and did not take advantage of this move here when this was happening. It does it one more time. Another ABCD pattern, almost kind of a bull flag. And again, I just don't pull the trigger because during this time of the day, I'm not a great trader. My rate of success is very low after 11:30, so I do have a rule after 11:30 not to trade anymore. But I think that rule is more for me to prevent me from trying to make my money back if I have a red day in the morning. So if I have not traded much and I still can get a good solid trade in, I will do it. But is a hard rule if I am definitely in the red. No trading after 11:30 because it would just make things worse for me. I'll give more back than what I already have. So I went in long here on this pullback. I got in long. I took a shot of it, expecting to get to 26 or even the high of the day at 26.16. Yes, 26.16 right here in the montage. Hesitated, consolidated for a while. Then here it just started getting really toppy. Just did not want to seem to break this 25.93 or so. So I took the majority out. I took half out here. I was concerned that it was not going to pop. Then from here, it went all the way up to 26. I left a little bit thinking that maybe if it cracked 26, we can get towards the high of the day. Didn't crack 26. Had this drop here, and let me show you the drop. This drop caught me off guard. When this drop happened, and again, it's not much. This stock doesn't move much anyway. When this drop happened, I waited for the pullback, and once I got the pullback, I took the rest out. Then the minute I took the rest out, I didn't flip my position right away, but I did notice that, man, everything is turning here. This thing is ready to roll over. It's been having a tough time getting over 26. The moving averages are coming in and kind of curving down now. So I said, you know what, let's give this a shot for a short. See if we can get at least back to 25.59. Will be great. So I went short in here, and it did just that. Stop loss at 25.26, the top of this candle. That was my stop there in case this thing decides to go up, and because this easy could have been a bull trap. If you look at the 5-minute, it could have went to this level here and bounced back from here and went to the high of the day. I'm sorry, the high of 26 here, and then towards the high of the day. So I was concerned with that. So tight stop at 25.96, and then it tested 25.94, but it wasn't strong enough. And I kind of had a feeling it was going to roll over because, again, it was just very toppy. Every time it got to any kind of new high after it made this really big move, which I hesitated on getting in, it was just hesitant. So I got in here short, and it turned out to be a really nice short so far, down to 25.79. I'm going to try to get a target down here at this moving average, 25.65. So that was, for those that don't know how I trade, this is my actual trading screen right here. This is what I trade off. So I hide my P&L up here. I don't want to see what I'm making or what I'm losing. It just messes you mentally. And I also hide it from here. I always bring it in for you guys, but when I'm trading, I don't have those two on there. So for those that want to know how to bring this in Dash Trader Pro, I guess this will be a good time to show you. You right click here, config, and then this screen comes up, and here you can click your realize. You realize, bring this over, and then I usually put it right next to the symbol, and that's how you get your P&L. That's how you can hide your P&L if you want to do that. Same thing here. You can right click, config. Exact same window comes up, a little bit different now, and then you can move over unrealized, yes, and I put it next to the symbol, hit OK, and then you get your information on here. So it turned out to be a good trade. I usually do not reverse things like this. This is actually not a flip. I had to wait a minute and think about it, and then when I saw it, I took an opportunity and took a shot at it. So let's see what it does here. Also, and then Levi was another one. Actually, I did not trade that live. Levi was a ticker that IPO today. So I just took a I took a simulation trade on it. Again, didn't really this was a sim trade. Didn't really want to risk anything on it because it is IPO, so there's really no levels, and they're difficult to trade. They're not easy. But this one took a shot at it just to play around with the simulation, which is great, by the way. I have found it that if you don't have anything to trade, you don't find something, have your simulation account ready. I have a monetized. I can put my simulation account in, and you can easily just take a simulation trade just to take the edge off, you know, so you don't feel like you have to trade on your live account if there's nothing there. I've done it twice already. It has worked out pretty good. So again, it's just an option for you to have if you don't really want to take a risk on a trade that you're not sure of, right? So you can do that. So here's my trade so far. I'm gonna set out some limit orders at 25.65. See if we can get there. So the way you would do that is you put limit here, and then you're going to put your price 25.70. Let's do that. And then I'm gonna probably sell half, so we'll do 400 at that price. We're gonna do buy. So that'll send our limit order, see if we can hit that, and then I'll probably set another one for 25.59. So that's my recap for today, guys. Check in tomorrow as well, 8:30 Eastern time. We're gonna go over these stocks here. Oh yeah, let me show you guys what I missed. I'm sorry, this recap is going on 6 minutes. I don't like to make them long for you guys. I know you guys got other things to do. But MU, just check this out, man. A beautiful opening range breakup right in here. Does the pullback. I was concerned that it had ran up too much, so I didn't want to chase it. So I stopped looking at it after it was all the way up here, but then it gave me the pullback and I missed it. AMD, same thing. It ran up so much right at the open. Look at this beautiful run up. So I thought I missed the boat on this one too. I stopped looking at it, and next thing you know, this thing pulls back and gives you a beautiful open range breakup, and it just takes off. What a nice, beautiful run up here on AMD. So, all right, guys, so that's my recap for today. Hope you guys had a good day as well, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.